Hello everyone, welcome back. Just like as I mentioned in my last video, I had ordered some Tomicas and they did arrive in the mail today, the 16th. So I'm gonna unbox this. I ordered these off of AliExpress. That's where I got these from. If you haven't heard it, if you've seen Champion DJK or Custom Collects videos, you may have heard that website mentioned. So that's how I heard about it, checked it out, and I ordered myself a couple of Tomicas on there. And in your first order, you can get one item at a pretty significant discount. It's just on one item only for your like first time ordering from there. So that's pretty cool. So I got one of these for only like $1. And the shipping on this was pretty cheap too. It was only like $2 shipping. Let's open these up. Show you all what I got. Alrighty, let's see which one is this one. Alright, let's start here. I'm gonna start with this one. Got two cars in here. So first up is Glyco Wagon. It's got the Pocky thing on the top there, so love me some Pocky. So since I spent a couple years in Japan, my early years, like fresh out of high school, spent 3 years over in Japan, so I had to give me a couple of these Tomica cars and saw this. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Let's open this, figure out how to open this thing up here. There's an interesting little box that this comes in. Alright, there we go. I think I figured that out. Maybe. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. I got it out of that package. Now to get it out of this package. Pretty good shipping on that little nice little plastic cover there. Alright, got the plastic off. Now let's open this thing up and take a closer look. Ooh, cool. And it's also inside of a plastic bag. Ooh, this thing's got some weight to it too. From the box, I could feel one side was heavier than the other side. It's definitely from this. Plastic bottom, plastic wheels, made in Vietnam. Here's the bottom. Left side, like a wagon. The rear, going with that same logo. The right side, like a wagon. There's the front. Got some very colorful stuff on the front there. That's pretty cool. Right-hand drive, of course, it's a Japanese car. And the Pocky on the top. Pretty cool. See how this rolls. Oh yeah, that rolls pretty good. Alrighty, so there's that one. And then for the other car, this is Nissan Fairlady Z Nismo GT500. So I'm gonna order it. This was the one that only cost me $1 as my like welcome deal to the site. And this one I do believe was like maybe around 4 or 5 maybe. I don't remember exactly. Something like that. And, you know, it's just gonna cost a little more because you know this is something you can't get here. And if you go on AliExpress, just if you're looking for Tomicas specifically, like I kind of did. Well, I came across them just looking through the various diecast stuff. But you can just search in the search bar, Tomica 164, all kinds of different sellers on there. I want to look through different ones because some stores sites on there will be a little cheaper than the other ones. Gotta look around, shop around or whatever. All right, got the plastic off of that. Just these plastics out of the way. Hold on to these parts. Alrighty, check this one out. Ooh, sweet. What is this? Oh, I guess this comes with some decals you gotta put on yourself, it looks like. Okay. Interesting. Okay, yeah, you gotta put these on yourself. See it right there. It's just plain on the windshield. Unless it has the thing on the windshield. Okay, yeah, some of these. Okay, yep. So a little do-it-yourself on this one. But here it is without the decals on it yet. Which looks just fine as it is. Sweet. That is very cool. Ooh, looks like those wings a little. Well, I don't know if that's supposed to be bent. This is kind of. It's like rubber. Or like a bendable plastic. That's why that looked a little bent. Alright, so you can just kind of bend that back in shape. That's cool. There we have that one there. Yep, tells you on the bottom of the casting. So this is pretty cool. Look at that one. Rolls pretty well as well. This is pretty cool. A little hard to see the interior on this. Very cool. On no back window really, but that's alright. Still looks very cool. Very clean. I don't even think I'm going to put the decals on it because this looks just fine the way it is. I mean, obviously it won't match this exactly without putting those on there, but for right now, I am not going to worry about putting those on there. So, we got the two Tomica cars I ordered off of AliExpress. So together, along with the shipping, this is like $10. So not too bad at all. So if you want to check out AliExpress, it came on time. It was estimated delivery was today, the 16th. It did come today, and it was in my mailbox. Obviously, a tiny little box fit in the mailbox. So that was good that it fit there. I don't have to worry about it sitting at the doorstep. So if you want to find some other brands outside of Hot Wheels, Matchbox, and the usual ones you see at the stores here, check them out. You can find some international stuff. And I'm going to have two more. Yeah, I think I'm going to split my diecast haul from this week into two videos because I found quite a bit this week. So stay tuned for that. Those will come out tomorrow or the next day. Within the next 2 days for sure. So, with that, see you next time. Good luck with your hunts. Find what you're looking for. I'm still looking for a couple items that I haven't found yet, but found some stuff, so you'll see that soon enough. So until next time, bye-bye.